What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Don McCord YouTube channel. It is currently about 5:30 in the morning, and I am getting ready to go grab the trailer that y'all have not seen in a while. The 48-foot spread axle reefer is officially legal and roadworthy. That was a whole deal, but we'll talk about that later. But it's time to go make some money with it finally. So that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm gonna head up to Benton, Tennessee, pick up a load of bottled water, which sucks because it's really heavy, but it's something. It pays pretty decent, so I'm gonna go pick that up, and I've got to take that down to Plant City, Florida, for Monday morning at 9:30, I believe. But for right now, we're just gonna go pick up the load and basically give the trailer a test, because I've never had a load in it. It pulls great empty, I know that, but I've never had a load in it, so let's go test it out. What is up, guys? So, me and the trailer, we made it up here to Benton, Tennessee, and they are loading me now. Had to dump the bags on the trailer, and this trailer does have dump valves on both axles, but I don't have the switch wired up in the cab right now, so the plug-in for the dumps is right underneath the reefer unit. So I ran a little jumper wire down to the from the battery on the reefer unit down to the plug for the for the dumps. Sorry, I've been a little bit sick lately. And got them dumped, and they are loading us now. Me and the purple truck are back working, guys. I love this trailer. It pulls so nice. Nothing like a spread axle. Yeah, the two front clearance lights on the top of the trailer aren't wanting to cooperate today, so I think I got a ground issue, because one of them was working dimly and the other one wasn't working at all. So, but yeah, it's a pretty laid back spot up here at Crystal Geyser here in Benton, Tennessee. And this load's going down to Plant City, Florida on Monday morning for 9 a.m. or 9:30. I don't know, I have to look at the rate count. I know it's Monday morning around 9 sometime. I'll figure that out and make sure I'm on time. But it is currently Friday, so I'll leave out midday Sunday, get down there in the evening, and do my 10, get up, get unloaded, and scroll the load boards and see if there's something I can grab for the way back. If not, I'll just boogie out of there and come on back home, because I gotta work the next day for sure. And really the only reason I'm taking this load is just to get my insurance paid for March coming up, so that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I pulled in here for a 9 o'clock appointment, pulled in here at 8:30. They threw me right in the door, and they're loading me now. So I'll get back with you here in a little bit after they get me loaded, and I'm gonna go up and weigh this thing. I shouldn't have to worry about it with the spread axle, but I'm gonna go check on it just to be sure, because I am new to pulling a spread axle reefer. So we'll get back with you then. Alright Alright guys, so all loaded up. I got went and weighed. And I'll read you off my weights here in a few minutes. My gross and all my actual weights. Coming out of Cleveland, Tennessee right now, getting ready to hit the bypass to go down the Dalton. Because why go into Chattanooga if you don't have to? And that way if you go this way on 60, then you go ahead and get around the Ringo, Georgia scales there. So yeah, my weights were, my total gross is 77,180. I got 9,380 on my steers, 30,460 on my drives, and on my trailer I have 37,340. And then for individual axles on the spread, you got to make sure you're not over 20, not over 21 in Florida for each individual axle. So I'm 18,580 and 18,680 on my trailer axles individually. So I am all good to go. Gonna get my butt back down to Woodstock. Hang out. Need to fix those marker lights on the top of the trailer. Check on a couple other things. Check all my tire pressures. Again, you know, just little stuff before I leave out Sunday. I gotta help my sister move tomorrow. So I'll try to get everything done I need to do today. Wife and the kids are in Alabama watching my niece play softball. She plays college softball. So she plays for Georgia Military College down in Millersville. And they're doing that and I'm working. But that's alright. I've been waiting for this day for a long time to be pulling my own trailer. But yeah, I'll catch back up with y'all in a little bit and give y'all an update. Do a walk around of the trailer and the truck. It's filthy right now because it rained this morning on my way up to Benton, Tennessee. But we'll let y'all get a peek at it. I'm sure I'll get it cleaned up before it's time to go Sunday. Alright guys. What is up guys? Welcome back. It is Sunday, and it is time to go down to Plant City and deliver this load of water in the morning, 9:30 a.m. It's about 7, almost 7 now. Sunday night, and I got Monday morning delivery. So I'm just down here hooking up the trailer, pre-tripping, doing all that stuff, and gonna head that way shortly. Start to get some fuel somewhere along the way. Now those lights up there ain't working. They'll probably start working in a little bit. They always do. I did get my front marker lights working. And now some of the back ones went out. You know, old trailer things, I guess. back up and get y'all a full view of what purple looks like. There's the other guys that park around here. The white Volvo and white Cascadia Mafia. And then you got me, the odd guy out. Of course, I don't park purple here. I just park the trailer here sometimes. So. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here and I'll catch up back with you in a little bit whenever I stop to get fuel. By then, I guarantee you those back marker lights will be working again. So, alright, well, I'll shout at you in a little bit. What's up, guys? Made it down here to Valdosta, Georgia. Go inside and take a leak and get back on the road. It's about 12:30 right now, a.m. and working my way on down to Florida. I'll get back with you in a second. Look at that beauty right there. That purple looks so good pulling a spread. Everything's working. So the ground light on that wasn't working. The ground wire wasn't attached on that earlier. That's why it wasn't working. Jump up in here and start my logbook for today, and we'll get moving. Yeah, so that's what took me so long to get the trailer on the road. That's why y'all haven't seen it in a long time. It took me like a month and a half, well, 2 months to get the new VIN tag, so I could get it VIN inspected in the state of Georgia. And then be able to go get my tag and get it legal. So all that's behind me now, and finally out making some money with this thing. I couldn't be happier. Alright, well, we'll get back with you in a little while. So I'm in Florida now, 167 miles out of Tampa. Got the bypass at the first way station. It's weighed in motion. I don't think the one down there in Ocala is weighed in motion yet, but I think Florida's working on getting all of them weighed in motion. Through the ag station, and they just gave me the thumbs up. See you later, bye. Trucking again. Well, I haven't pulled a load since December. Whenever I was doing all those steel beams on those flatbeds. It's been a while. The first trip as a tractor trailer owner. I've been a tractor owner for a long time now, but it feels good to have my own wagon behind me. I ain't got to pull anybody else's jump. know what I'm pulling. Better slow my butt down. I don't think Mr. DOT would like me running 77 miles an hour. I'll flip it back on. If not, I'll talk to you when I get down here. Alright guys. What's up guys? Made it down to Plant City this morning at about 4:30. Really an uneventful trip. Just the way we like it, right? I got down here and I laid down until 8 o'clock, and then got up and went over and checked in at 8:30. They had me in the door at 9:06, and I was unloaded by 9:55. So, can't beat that. But yeah, we'll get you flipped around. Yeah, Purple in the trailer did great. I didn't suspect I'd have any problems, but everything went good, and I'm happy. And I'm just sitting around now trying to find something, either going back to Atlanta or bounce around Florida for a day or so, and make up the difference, and then see if I can find something to go back to Atlanta. If not, if I can make up the difference bouncing around Florida, $500 here on 75 miles to 100 miles, then I can make up the difference in fuel that I'll need to go ahead and deadhead home if I can't find anything that pays decent. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I guess I'm gonna end this video off here, and I just wanted to finally give y'all something on this gorgeous piece of machinery. Well, two gorgeous pieces of machinery, because it's been a while. But I appreciate you guys, and make sure y'all like and subscribe, and check back in with me. Alright guys.